In suites. Let me show you our room.
Okay. Be the voiceover.
Alright, well, this is our beautiful bathroom
It's so nice.
with our bronze bidet. Look how fancy our bidet is. I will have a clean hiney.
She always poop.
Yeah.
So fancy.
Alright, and then of course we got our complimentary stuff here. Coffee, most importantly. And then our queen size suite.
Oh,
Yeah. Overlook. Yeah.
that's so nice. This is so perfect, right?
Yeah.
Complimentary bread.
Yeah, look at that. Some kind of cookies. I may have to eat those. And
Later.
room service menu right there.
We have a big. This TV is so big, ever.
12-inch pizzas. Ew. I don't want the fruit pizza.
And you have a name here, Jeremiah Bostad. Sana
My
all.
name's on the TV. So they shouldn't be able to, girls should be able to figure out the internet. Which reminds me, I need to sign into the internet.
I'm so dark. I'm so dark. Look at that. From Baguio. Ay, from Baguio. From Boracay to Baguio. So dark. Medyo ano siya, aesthetic. Diba? Pero mas maganda to sa room namin. Pero kami extra. How are we supposed to? Blanket.
Is that our doorbell?